Harmonic NQ on the 3. Harmonic NQ on the 9. Fib.gc on the 3. Harmonic NQ on the 3. Fib.gc on the 9. Fib.gc on the 3.
Hey, good evening, everybody, and welcome to Day Trading Nomads. Glad you can make it out on this Sunday night. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It is time to get to work.
Double Delta NQ on the 3. Fib.gc on the 3. Fib.gc on the 9.
All right, that was a fast push up on the NQ. Hey, Casey, what's going on? Good to see you. Ben, good to see you. Hey, Ace. What's going on, Andrew? Jeff Koski, how's it going? I want some pizza too. NQ Scalper, good evening. Pineapple Pete was the second like. Speaking of likes, if you haven't already, do me a favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. Little bit goes a long way. Looks like we are up to 888 subscribers. Great job. Great job.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
What's going on, James H? Good to see you. looking for an opportunity here. Stalking a trade. There you go. I kind of doubt it. Probably going to go in the penalty box with YouTube. But we'll see. Flirting around with this 11.3 Super AO. Only problem is I've got negative confluence over on the tide. It's not the only problem I have. A little bit of consolidation. Feel like there's going to be a little bit more of a push before it comes down. We are going to take our time. We are 2 trades in tonight. I have added the AlgoBox trade tracker, bottom right of your screen. You can see I am good. Trade number 1, trade number 2 were both green trades. We are up $370 for the night. No kidding. You're absolutely right, Casey. I have reconfigured my tide charts to operate on the micros. We will be shooting guns over there, missiles on the ripple charts.
On the 9.
We're looking for longer moves on the tide, and it will be based in no small part on the open range. And currently the open range is, we're smack in the middle of both open ranges. So we are going to wait. Almost got long at 20,050 on the NQ. Should have. Definitely would have been able to profit off of that. I'm seeing a turtle form up here on the gold. I'm going to switch over to gold real quick. See how long that takes to make its way over. Okay. So we can see, I can't really draw it out, but you can see how it just kind of comes up and then it kind of comes back down. And then we got a nice little head right here. Not quite sure that that's a turtle, but can't draw the can't draw curves yet. Wonder if I can do this.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Let's see if we can do that. If you guys can just imagine. Now we kind of got, we ought to grow. If we turn that a different color, more of a brown. You can definitely see the curve there. It got up a little bit higher. So if you can just imagine that with the session open being the turtle shell. I know it always sucks, Jeff, having to go back. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing there. It's a nice fast, not fast, I guess it was kind of fast leg up. Could be. 1, 2, 3. No, that's more like a Richie there. So we're going to look for that pull back down. Let's see here. So this is what we're looking at, the turtle shell. We're looking for a little bit of consolidation here and then take off. Did we get that? Kinda. We did. But if we go back and we look at the Richie, so we had this. We had the beehive.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
And then up. Maybe. We'll throw this back over to the side and bring it out as we need it. Again, we're in no hurry to take a trade. We're just kind of looking around. MACVU is in moderate sell. The NQ is the holdout. They're still in the green. Oh, my bad. I got them backwards, don't I? Okay. Yeah, I kind of changed up my screen over the weekend. Try that out for size, guys. Let me rename these real quick so I got them right. That is the GC. And now that is the NQ. Yes, so you can see the turtle now. If you can just kind of imagine from this yellow line up, here's the shell. We had the consolidation and then the push up. Maybe you can see that. All right, I'm going to go back. Oh, okay, well, let's take a look at that. Let's do that again then, since I was doing it the wrong way. All right, so this is the Richie. Let's go on back over to the turtle. So what we're looking for on the turtle is the move up, some consolidation, coming back down. And then we're in this head right here. Do not enter in the turtleneck. And what we're looking for is this little bit of consolidation, followed by a nice little pull up with a little bit of beehiving going on there, followed by a nice rip up. So that is actually supported by our tide. So that is the way I am trying to play that tonight. You know what I'm going to do here? Let's do something interesting. All right, let's take a picture of this. We're going to take a picture of that chart. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull in AlgoBox GPT. We'll see what, all you got to do, paste it in, hit the upload arrow, that's it. Let's see what it's got to say. Well, that wasn't exactly what I was thinking it was going to give us. All right, so let's try that again. Let's clean up the chart a little bit here. We'll take another picture. All right, we got the picture.
Fib.NQ on
Let's bring in AlgoBox. Ask me anything. Upload the picture, and away we go. It's too slow. Is this a turtle? Put the picture in there again. Hit the upload arrow. Let's see here. All right. Well, I'm going to say that wasn't the best help. It's funny because I've been using that and it has been working. All right, so in looking at this, the turtle is playing out. We've got that beehive going on right in this area, right there. We got a symbol, we got a signal there that the shorts, people are retail is selling the shorts, going short. So what we're looking for is an avenue to go long. Over here, we got a green arrow on the tide. And you can see that the MACV is showing it, is indicating that we are in an upward trajectory. This green bar right here is representative of this arrow down here in case I don't see it. So green bar tells me prepare to go long on the tide. So as we're looking over here, we can see that we're absolutely smack dab in the fiddle. The purple zone is the fiddle zone. So we're just going to play this out
Fib.NQ on the 3
and wait to see what happens here. Fact, I am going to arm long. There it goes. Kind of left without us. I should have taken that signal right there and popped it for a long, but it was right smack dab in the fiddle zone. So let's just hang tight. See if we get a little bit of consolidation up here. That would be perfect. See if it pulls back. Hey, Kumar. Good to see you. All right. Would like to see a pullback here. Let's see if we can get a pullback down to about 32.56, 32.55. Oh, and the whole time we're missing a trade on the NQ, where I am looking short. Yeah, that would have been a nice short there. Okay, it's 9:04 over here on the East Coast. I hear the Disney fireworks going off.
Fib.GC on the 3.
All right, I like that fib dot there. Should we play it back? See if we can get a better signal to play it back. It's kind of counterintuitive here, but we're going to wait and see. We are overextended. We are overbought on the MACD.
Fib.NQ
You can see we're above our 2.5, headed for the 3.5. We can get up to that 3.5. Seriously start looking for a short. Delta is still pretty strong here. We want to see it get to the point of exhaustion here. I will say that that turtle did play out. I will say, and that's something that we have to keep in mind as we make this trade, that AO was more of a continuation AO right there.
Double Delta GC on the 3.
All right, so we got a Delta ready up there. Are we going to start playing it back, or are we going to continue north? We're going to sit here and we're going to wait patiently, sit on our hands. You can see over here, we are on the second white candle. That green candle indicates that's a color-coded candle, color-coded entry candle based on this color-coded entry bar. And you can see we had the green arrow down here. All right, the nerd is completely red. Strong sell. Checking out the MACD. All right, Jeff, you win. Oh, let's go back over to the NQ real quick while that. What are we looking at here?
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
All right. Let's see if we form the turtleneck there.
delta GC on the 3.
All right, we're going to switch to both screens. We got a lot of action going on both screens. We are oversold on the NQ. We are overbought on gold. Coming up on king timing, but we have a twin delta ready up here on gold. Coming up on king timing on the NQ. I am certainly interested in longs here. On the NQ, certainly interested on a short on the GC. Still think we got a lot of room there. Still think we got a lot of room to go up on the gold. So we're just going to sit here. We're going to wait for signals to show up. We know what we're inclined to do. I'm going to disarm my dream panel. I can see delta dwindling on the GC. Have we reached the point of exhaustion? Looking over at the MACD, it looks like we have absolutely reached the overbought category. And on the NQ, we are definitely oversold. Both look primed and ready. But we're going to take our time. Remember, we are 2 trades in, and we're not interested in giving any of that up. Making new highs on gold. $75. Man, that was a great signal. Look at that Smurf dot down there, followed by that continuation cross right there. I think that's a picture-perfect turtle. Does gold make its way back to 32.65 before it heads down? Again, I'm not doing anything without a signal. I keep trying to foster my way into to justify my way into a trade here. Ain't gonna do it. Ain't gonna do it. Just gonna sit tight. Plenty of opportunities will occur tonight. What's going on, Dr. M? All right.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
There we go. Let's see what happens on the NQ. I'm going to be cautious here. Oh, I want to take that long. I do want to take that long. Kind of like to wait for this double bounce off the bottom on the RSI, on the OBOS. Same on the gold. Like to see confirmation up there for that we have reached the overbought on gold and oversold on the NQ. We're not going to go along there. We're looking for shorts there. All right, we did make that 32.65. Two very nice bars on the tide. Tide is indicating that we should be looking at 32.73. I want to play it up, but I got no signal there. Making a very small on the NQ, making a very small head and shoulders here. See if this is going to end up doing this.
Fib.gc on the 3.
Let's see how this turns out. Pink dot up on gold. Need a little bit more than just the pink dot. MACV is just absolutely primed. Coming up on king timing on MACV. Coming up on king timing on gold. Let's see what this dude does. Gold is making that last push. All right, we got 31 folks in the bar. We got 16 likes. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. Hey, Riamu? Oh, come on. 3 years and 20K. Okay, no. Dr. M, come on. Don't tap on the glass. Riamu, I've been doing this for about 3 years now. Having a great time. Started making money almost immediately. I bought in when it was a lot more expensive. So I basically paid off my investment about 2 months in. That's including all the Dr. M, come on. Jeez. so we did jump up out of the box on gold. It all comes down to doing all the training. Hey, Dr. M. All right. Dr. M is not referring to AlgoBox. Dr. M is talking about the 90-90-90 rule, the triple 90 rule. Yes, you got to do the hard work. And yes, Pete, I'm watching it. I am absolutely watching it. Absolutely. Not as closely as I want to. But the triple 90 rule is a statistic that that tells you that 90% of the people who start trading, not just with AlgoBox, but in general, 90% of the people lose 90% of their money in 90 days. And unfortunately, that is a hard fact. But here with the AlgoBox indicators, we've got a system where we are very cautious. We step in, take the right trades. We stalk trades from higher time frames, and we work our way down to the lower time frames. So you can see we absolutely have the opportunity to go long here, but I'm not, because the long trade looks like it's about played out on gold, and the short trade is about played out on the NQ. So there you go. I would highly encourage you to check out AlgoBox. I would highly encourage you to hang out here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification button.
On the 9.
All right, so we just got down divergence on the 9. Tide is telling us the move is probably going to play out about 32.72. So let's see. We absolutely missed our opportunity to get in that turtle. That smurfed out at the bottom. We called it. We saw the turtle happening. And I didn't take it. It's all right, Dr. M. We don't want to scare anybody off before they have the opportunity to learn how to do it right. And it comes down to just that. Did I say your name right, Riamu? Is that how you say it? Help me out there. And by the way, welcome to Day Trading Nomads. Don't know, it said you were new here, so. Oh man, will y'all quit talking about food? Come on. Good to see you, Shane. Awesome. That's great news, Riemu. Okay, so we just got an 8.9 super AO. I don't know why it didn't enter me short here. But I definitely want to take that. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take it. See what we can do. Maybe I got in a little prematurely. Come on.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Should have waited till I heard sellers
Delta
there.
GC on the 9.
All right. Got in way too early. I should have waited for my pullback, just like I said. But I had an itchy trigger finger there. So we're going to take a little bit of pain. All right, let's go. Got my finger, one finger over the half button, one finger over the break even button, another finger over the close button. Let's see if we can pull this dude back and get some profit here. Come on.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Switching over to gold. Okay, I do not like that green dot there. Let's see if we can pierce that dot. Come on. Little bit more. Oh, man. Dude, we got robbed. Okay. Give me a push. That was my opposing signal. But we popped that dot. Let's see if we can get... Feel like this is going to come back. Yep. Okay, let's get another push down here. Come on. Hey, what's going on, Ninja Scalp? Good to see you. Come on, let's go. Should have taken some profit.
Fib.GC on the 3.
All right, that's a nice dot. That's a nice dot. We're going to back our stop up a little bit. We may double down on this. Try to get a little bit of a better position in here.
Double Delta GC on the 3.
Okay, so we cracked the red dot, we cracked the green dot. We got a little bit of consolidation going on here. Let's go. Yeah, I know. Three cars on the track is a lot. All right, let's see here. Come on, drop it down.
Diligence up NQ on the 9.
Let's go. Don't think I was wrong. I think I was just early. Let's pull it back. Let's go, gold. Drop it down. All right, let's get a pullback here,
Delta
guys.
NQ on the 3.
Oh, I'm giving it time. Thanks, Pete. I don't like this consolidation there. Do not want it to pop up to 32.75. I should have waited. I should have waited. We had an ignition bar on the tide. I did not wait long enough. I don't know if the balls of steel, but definitely, definitely on the crazy end. You know, there's a fine line between being a lunatic and a genius. This thing stops me out. I was a lunatic. It comes back and takes my targets. I was a genius. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Should have waited. Should have waited. Come on. Crazy thing is, I had an opportunity, almost took my target right there. Should have not moved my stops. Should have not gotten in that trade till we got back to this level up here. But
on the 9.
I made the mess, so I got to lay in it. I guess the question we need to be asking, or I need to be asking, is
NQ on the 3.
There were some sellers. Come on, give me some more sellers. The question that I need to be asking myself is, when are you wrong, Bob? When do you say you're wrong? Come on, let's keep hearing some sellers here on gold. If we can get a good signal, we'll take it back. We'll double down.
Fib.GC on the
That
3.
is not a good signal. That was not the signal I was waiting for. Not the signal I was waiting for. So again, gotta start asking myself, when are you wrong, Bob? When are you wrong? Don't like these developing harmonics. Don't like them. Don't like this one way up here at 32.90-ish. All right, so we're down $1,640 on this trade. We're taking quite a bit more heat than I really wanted to take. So, yep. Yeah, this is not looking good. All right.
Delta GC on the 3.
All right, so we're going to push that up there.
Harmonic NQ
And we're
on
going
the
to
3.
double down.
Order filled.
And we're going to look for a fast way out. DC8 into this. Let's see if we can take a couple of these overpriced targets up here. Get down below our break even. See if we can get a... Okay, we're going to stack our... Come on. Come on. Make this a little bit bigger. We're going to bring it down towards the middle so we can focus a little bit better here. Come on. Wow, this is really wanting to not help us out here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so we took target there. So that one's actually gone, I think. Yep. It still shows it on the sim trader, but it's actually gone. On my eval account. Okay, we are not going to double down anymore. Still think this is going to come back. Come on, let's go.
Target filled.
There's one. Let's see if we take out the other one. Let's go. We can get below our break-even point.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
We'll thin the load up a little bit. We will thin the herd. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this one here.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
And nope, we're not gonna move those. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Let's go.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Ah. Come on. Crack that dot. Crack that.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Boy, didn't waste any time cracking that dot.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
All right. There we go. Come on down. Take that target. Take that target. Take it. Take it. Oh! Cool. Let's go. Take it. Come on. Oh, you dog, you. Should have taken it. It was right there. I don't want this thing to take a quick flash and stop us out. Come on.
Fib.GC on the 9.
I don't mind leaving a couple runners on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Order filled.
All right, now we're in. Now we're good.
Fib.NQ
Come on
on
down.
the 3.
Come on down, gold. Come on down, gold. There we go. There we go.
Exit.
All right, we've got 3 off.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Order
Order
canceled.
filled.
Order
We're going to
Order
leave
filled.
1 straggler. We're going to move it to break even. So we are down $670 right now. Let's see if we can. We've got a target way down at the bottom here. Come on, let's go. Thank you, Missile. It's actually a very bad trade. Trying to bail myself out of a bad position here. But good to see you. Come on, gold. Let's go. We're going to snag just a little bit of profit there. Come on, let's hear some sellers. We got the red arrow over on the MACD. We're going to follow this down until the trailing stop kicks in, but the trailing stop is way away from kicking in. If it double backs on us, we want to make sure that we've got some profit in there. We're just about back to break even for the night.
Harmonic NQ on the 3. Enigma short on the NQ3.
And there goes the NQ down. That's not good for me. Not good for me. Let's see if we can survive this. We got 20 ticks of trail. Come on. I am taking a short on the NQ. Try to offset this. See if we can get some gratitude there.
Target.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
All right, let's take that one.
Exit.
Stop fill. Order filled.
All right, we are now short on the NQ. I'm gonna switch to that screen. And it's gonna stop me out
Stop
there.
filled.
So after all that, we were able to mitigate our loss. And now gold is gonna tumble and
Fib.NQ on the 3.
all right. So we were able to take 3 of our 4 targets on the NQ. That made us a little bit of money. And that offset our loss on gold. So let's see here. We're going to say that that was a loss and a win. All right. Unfortunately. Oh, Cuervo, it's
Harmonic NQ on the 3. NQ on the 3.
hey, I still got a trade over here. I am short on gold.
Order filled.
We're going to go ahead and take that.
on the 3.
So, hey, just so that you know, guys.
NQ on the 9.
Well, I can't show that yet. Let's see here. Let's go back to the NQ. Cuervo, thank you. I appreciate the kind words there, but we're shooting with missiles here, and we are live on a prop firm account. So we are using the sim trade as our leader account. So appreciate the sarcasm.
Divergence up NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 3.
You know, what are you, 10? All right. We ended up being right on gold after all that. Thank you, Missile. They see Sim up here and they think I'm trading Sim. They don't understand that these are leader accounts. And that we're using Replicanto. They just don't understand. They don't understand. I was just a little bit there. I was a little wired tight there, so I was looking at about a $1,500 drawdown if that trade failed. So anyway. Guys, I'm going to go top off my cocktail. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be back in just a few minutes. Currently, we have 36 people at the bar. Appreciate everybody for coming out. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. You know, hey, Cuervo, it's hard as shit to sit here and trade and broadcast at the same time. So, a little bit on the hot seat there. Didn't take your comment the way it probably was meant, and maybe you didn't understand.
DCDMNQ on the 3.
Okay, hang on a second. Let's see here. I want to take that DCDM, but I don't like that 7.8 AO there.
Double Delta NQ on the 9.
Yep. Well, Cuervo's actually had his account since 21. Okay, let's yeah, you know what? I'm just going to sit this one out. I want to take this trade. I want to get my money back. But at this point, I am it's a valid troll. Congratulations, you trolled. Hey guys, I appreciate you catching my back here. I am going to go blow off a little bit of steam here because that was kind of, you know, I guess I got a little lucky there with the NQ. I caught that Enigma on the way down. Could have held out for a lot longer, a lot more. And just FYI, I don't think we were wrong on the gold trade. I think we were just early, or I was just early. I say we. All right, we got a green ready up here. We're back in the well, still oversold. Okay, but sellers are wanting to go. Retail is wanting to go long. So we need to be looking for a way to go short. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to quit this. I'll be right back, guys. I thought Jesse was coming tonight. Don't see him. Again, if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button. I'll be back in just a few, folks. Thank you.
Harmonic NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 9. Fib.GC on the 3. Harmonic NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3.
Okay, I am back. Hey Ben, good to make it. Cleared my head, topped off my drink. Appreciated the fact that even though our sim account shows us down 165 for the night, we're up $34.96. So we are officially down about $335 from our watermark high. We are in the fiddle zone on gold. All right, let's go back to where we're watching both charts.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Appreciate everybody coming out tonight. We are up to 27 likes, 10 minutes to 10, 35 people in the bar. Absolutely, Missile. Absolutely, not rushing into anything right now. Gonna wait for A+ signals. While we're in here, I want to introduce Mr. Missile Silo. He's got his own channel. If you click on his name in the chat and then click go to channel, it'll pull it right up. And I'm going to pull that over here because I want to encourage everybody to support our friends. So go check out Missile during the day. Let's get him some subscribers. And there you go. So if I click here, I should be able to. There you go. Let's share the channel. Copy the channel ID.
GC on the 9.
Yeah, but you will be one day. I don't think that worked. So let me see here. Let's go to his. We want to support you any way we can because you support our channel and we thank you for that. And that's how you do that, folks. Just come on over to the chat. Show this again. Click on Missile Silo in the chat and then click on Go to Channel. Immediately it pulls it up. As you can see, I am subscribed. You should do the same as well. Anyway, enough of that. Let's go back to the charts. And by the way, Missile is somebody that I highly respect. His ability to trade
Harmonic
is
NQ on the 3.
very well, very good, very strong. Yes, so the fiddle zone is absolutely in the middle of the MACV. So if you go over, let's make the NQ bigger so I can explain that in a little bit more detail. Try to let that catch up. Appreciate all the likes, folks. Really do. We picked up a couple new subscribers tonight. That's awesome. So over here, you can see we have the center line 0 on the MACD. So the fiddle zone, I don't want to click my indicators. I don't keep the fiddle zone on over here. Actually, let's go look at gold. Gold is a little bit easier to describe right this very minute because you can see we're actually in the fiddle zone here. There's my 0 line. And you can see we're tight. And so typically what you would see, whoop, let's go here, hit that button. So the fiddle zone is going to be somewhere around in there. And we don't want to play when it's in the fiddle zone. So what I do is rather than keep it over here where I know it is, I set my markers where I know that I'm looking for opportunities to go back short or long based on these yellow hash marks. But over here, you'll notice on the Ripple chart, you got this purple box, right? That purple box represents the 50% mark on the fiddle zone, based off of the 9s, based off of this chart over here on the right. So Coop, that's how I use that. All right, let's clean this up. And there we go. And now we'll go back to both charts. What's going on, Brian Hendricks? Good to see you. You are watching us on the big screen. That's awesome.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
I'm going to turn off my dream panel for right this minute
Harmonic
so we figure out what direction we're going in. Red arrow over on the MACV on the NQ. Currently under a red arrow on the MACV on the Tide as well. Wow, even the Tide is almost oversold.
Double delta NQ on the 9. Harmonic
Green
GC
delta
on
ready
the
up
3.
on the 9, telling me get ready. Not telling you which trade to take, which direction to go, just telling you, hey, be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. Green arrow on the MACV. Clearly made the double point on the OBOS, the double touch. Below the 30 mark. Does it start coming back? Are we looking for a long? I am looking for a long, so I'm going to arm it long. I know that's contrary to the channels, but we'll see. The Tide is telling me it bottomed out.
GC on the 3.
See if we can get a nice push up here. But again, we are simply waiting for the opportunity to rise. Green dot, followed by a Smurf dot, followed by a green dot on gold, still in the fiddle zone. Getting close to the fiddle zone on the on the NQ. Yeah, gold kicked my ass earlier, but we survived. And we took a counter trade on the NQ, which really worked to our benefit. Not liking the idea of a short of anything right now until until gold makes up its mind which way it's going to go. Three very big ignition bars on the Tide telling me that it I got in way too early on that, but you can see it's topped out. All right, folks, it's 10 o'clock. We got 43 folks in the bar. Let's see how many likes we got. We got 30 likes. All right, I'm going to give this one until 10:30 tonight. Unless we get 50 likes. We get 50 likes by 10:30, and we'll keep going longer. Okay, we're officially in the fiddle. We got a delta ready up in the fiddle zone on the NQ. We're going to disarm this. Hearing sellers on gold. Just a couple. A PB Friday. What is a PB Friday there, Casey? I always brag about AlgoBox. I had a great Friday. I was up, I guess about $3,000, $3,600. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Do tell. Casey's a man. Well, there you go, brother. Awesome. That is saying something. $9,000 profit to pass one. I'm currently up $3,667 on this current 150K. Okay, hearing buyers back on gold. Smurfed out on the 9s. This is why we don't take trades in the middle of the fiddle. I'm going to wait until it picks its direction. The nerd is at a moderate sell. The holdout is NQ. NQ is currently the one in the green. All the other indices are in the red.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
It really is, man.
Pip.GC
It
on
really
the 3.
is, brother. All right, we got a lot of choppy delta on the NQ. We got gold. Looks like, man, everything tells me I want to go short on gold, but every time I try it, we're going to sit here and wait. That green dot did not do me any favors.
Pip.NQ on the 9.
All right. Green arrow on the MACV. Green arrow on the Tide MACV. Just chopping around here. Guys, I'll be right back. I got a phone call I got to take. No, I'm guessing they decided it was 10 o'clock our time. And all right, now we got the DCDM. Got a DCDM on the NQ. Too close to target to take it. It took the target. That would have been a good one to get in there. Do we play it back? Do we play it back? I want to, but we're looking for prime grade A trades. There'll be other opportunities. I find more often than not the best trades are the trades that I never take. It was just too close. By the time we popped up, it was too close. Missile.
NQ on the 9.
I wanted to take it, but look, it's pulling back. But man, I am looking for NQ to go long. I feel like it's primed, and I feel like gold is primed to come down.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, Jesse, what's going on, man?
I brought a few friends with me.
All right, who'd you bring?
Oh, about
Virgin's down
1.4 thousand viewers.
All right, cool. That'd be awesome. Dude, it's happening again.
I just wrapped up dinner and I saw that the viewership starting to creep up, and I said I better sneak on in there.
Oh wow, I didn't even see it. I mean, I looked earlier. Hey guys, of you 1,679 folks out there, hey, hit that like button. 1,800, dude.
Hit that like button. Let's go.
We need 20 more likes to get there, dude. Let's go. Man, how many likes do we have now? Got 35 likes. 1,922 people watching. Dude.
All right.
Everybody likes a good train wreck. All right,
this NQ is relentless. Somebody said relentless earlier. I 100% agree.
Look at that thing go. Look at it go. Look at it go. And I was looking for a long there. I was absolutely looking for a long there. 891 subscriptions. There we go, man. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy.
Whip over 2,000 people in the bar. Casey, you're letting too many folks in again. Come on, Mr. Bouncer.
Okay, let me get my bearings here.
All right, we're up to 37 likes.
Let's see. Where the hell is my database? There it is. Elite database. It's my Sunday routine.
I hear you.
Double delta NQ
go.
on the 9.
And
I'm 4 trades in, but I had one really bad trade.
yeah, I saw you. I was listening in while eating dinner. I saw you were in a gold that wasn't working, so you took an NQ to kind of balance it out, or vice versa.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, so I doubled down on gold. It finally came back. Got me a little bit of my, I was able to DCA in, be able to get a graceful exit there, and then I ended up getting an Enigma, a red Enigma that I promptly waited for the moon touch, caught it, wrote it down, took 3 targets, made about 55 ticks, and that got me down to $165 down for the night. I was up 370 when I started the stream. But then I had a ghost order on gold, and that got me on my eval. That got me back above break even. So I'm
Harmonic
actually
NQ
up
on the
35 bucks.
So every once in a while, them ghost orders work for you.
Yeah, I didn't even see it until it was, and I was like, oh, if I'd have got out a little bit earlier, I would have got out. I would have been able to.
Well, good job working with that, offsetting that loss and using another instrument to your advantage. Good work.
Yeah, and then we had a troll in here who said, "Good job sweating that sim trade." I'm like,
I know. I saw. Some assholes just don't get it. That
Yeah.
They don't know you're trading 45 accounts, Bob, and they're making 10 times what they do every day.
yeah, that's right.
Oh man.
So how many viewers do we have now? We're up to 2,320
Newbies.
viewers. There you
Newbies,
go.
I swear. What was his name? Cuervo. That's
Cuervo.
Cuervo, you still around, buddy?
He's still in the chat.
Cuervo, we use the Sim 101 account to copy
Double
our
Delta
trades
GC
to
on
20,
3.
30, 40 accounts, making bank. So trust me, Bob was sweating.
Oh God, yeah, I was
that trade.
sweating.
Oh man.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
No, Kumar, it's
Double
not me.
Delta
I don't know.
NQ on
Somebody's
3.
paying some money out there trying to do something to our channel. I don't know who the heck would do that. No idea, but we welcome the viewership. So it is what it is. I wish they'd hit the like button.
I know. We're running a little short on likes tonight, guys. Let's hit the like button there. No, it's working fine for me, I think.
Oh, David Maloney's back. Oh, Jesus, David.
Which one was David Maloney?
He's the other night calling us con men. Dude, we're not con men. We're not selling
okay.
anything. We're customers of AlgoBox. We're paid customers, bro. I spent like $4,000 on all my setup. Con
We're
artist.
paying, we're not paid.
Yeah, paying. Yeah, there you go. Oh, man. I think it's David Maloney paying money to have bots spam our
GC
channel,
on the
but
3.
they're helping. So I don't get it, David. You're
There
wasting
he
your
is.
money,
I had
bro.
to turn on my live chat. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, David. Appreciate it.
Yeah, we appreciate that. All right, so what am
It's
I
funny
looking
because he showed up right when he showed up. The bots hit us last time.
at? The same here, same this time. So it's David. They're following David around. That's okay. We're good.
Okay, I got a red arrow on the gold MACD on the 9s. Got this shark. I want to see a little bit of a pullback there. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback there before I took that shark, which is now an HMD.
Now they're taking turns reporting each other. You guys are children, I swear.
I
especially
have
David.
never banned anybody from the chat.
especially David.
But I'm getting
Jeez.
ready to because I'm just not in the mood tonight. Just
Yeah, Chad. Yeah, Chad makes a good point. David, what do you give a shit if AlgoBox works or not? It's what we are using. You don't have to use it.
That's right. There's my pullback on gold. There's my pullback on gold. Does it turn about and go? No, I'm still in the fiddle. I don't want to take it. I'm in the fiddle. I'm in the fiddle missile.
Don't take it. Don't take it.
You're here to protect the innocent. Yeah, you're a 19-year-old twerp who doesn't have a clue. You know, just, I'm done. Bye, David.
Yeah, crazy. David, by the way, half the people in here don't even use AlgoBox.
We're gone.
We're all trading friends. Now, he can still hear us. He just can't type.
Let's see here.
Jesus. Idiot.
Bye, David.
Bye, David. Bye, Felicia.
Yep. I'm
Fin
done
dot
fucking
GC
with
on
him.
the 3.
I really am.
Cuervo, thanks, man. That was nice of you. Sorry Bob talked a little shit earlier. He was in a rough trade, man. He was sweating. Woo. Thank you, Cuervo. We appreciate you being here.
Yeah.
What's up, Kevin?
All right.
Good to see you. I can't believe Bob finally banned somebody from the... Dude, it's been like a year or something, right?
I
No
know.
bans. Finally, somebody got themselves banned.
You know, I just, you know.
It's crazy. He doesn't seem to get it. We're not all AlgoBox users here. We're a group of friends, buddies, traders. We all help each other. We all have good ideas. It all works. You don't have to be an AlgoBox user. Jesus.
No, and it's too big a distraction. I'm trying to focus on, I really do want to make some money tonight.
Let's make some money.
That's right.
Hey, Kevin, which basketball or which baseball game you watching? I'll turn it on too. I've been watching. Oh, you're watching basketball probably because it's the playoffs. Never mind. I'm an idiot.
What are you talking about? Basketball's fun. I like basketball.
No, I know, but I was gonna watch some MLB, but he said b-ball, but I think he's talking basketball.
Baseball's fun too.
Yeah. Thanks, Kumar. Bob appreciates that. This ain't a place for negativity. We're positive folks around here, right, Bob?
That's right. You know, I'm going to take that as a compliment there, Kumar, because, you know, it could have been disastrous, but we played our way right out of that.
Yeah, good job, dude.
You know,
I wish I could say the same. I kept longing NQ on this friggin' dropout. Oh, jeez. I thought we were going to stop at the pivot point. Nope.
No, dude. It left the pivot point way behind.
Mm-hmm.
All
It
right.
said, eat my dust.
That's right.
I was trying to do the, what was that movie? One of the Chevy Chase movies. Eat my dirt. Don't you mean eat my dust?
Dude, we got 6,633 viewers.
Yeah, buddy. Hit the like button, everybody.
But no, at least last time they were hitting the like button.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't that, am I right about that? I mean, didn't we have like 860 likes?
Something like that.
See, I told you I was early. I was right on that gold trade. I was just way early. Way early.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
All right. We have a new all-time high of 10,900 people watching our chat. That's
All right.
even bigger than the other night. Now, if we could just turn those into likes, we'd be great. No, we're at 12,958 folks watching. 14,334. I must have, that David guy, he had to be doing this.
Yeah. That's all right. Whatever. It helps.
Hey, Missile, I'm not going to be in the stream. 16,753 viewers.
Woohoo! Hit the like button, y'all. Let's go.
Oh, man alive. Let's 18,836. Unbelievable. Missile, you're going to have to tell
Double Delta
Vinny in
TC
the
on
morning,
9.
okay? 22,000 viewers. See, this is going to wreck our algorithms. 24,000. All right, we are at 40 likes. I think one of the things is, Jesse, is if you get that many viewers and you don't get any likes, kind of represents that your stream sucks.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, Mr. Hoyt, I am on the ETF website right now. Oh, wait, the website or the Trade-Evade? I'm on Trade-Evade. Dude, 29,500 views. 32,750 views.
Come on, people. Start hitting that like button.
35,000 likes. I mean, 35,000 viewers.
When you booted David,
He got pissed and went,
yeah, he amped it up.
yeah, he went full port on us. 38,250. Casey, I have no idea, man. There is definitely 40,000 viewers at one time, Missile. We are definitely under attack here. 43-3. Damn, who knew our bar could be this big? Could hold so many people.
Yeah.
We're starting to get a few likes. We're up to 42 likes.
All right, let's get it.
No, we're down to 41. Somebody just unliked it.
Wait a minute. What happened then there, Casey? Oh, his safe room to hug your teddy bear. Okay, let me do my usual. What's up, Casey? Ben, good to see ya. Mr. Hoyt, Kumar, Jeff, what's up, buddy? Missile, Brian in the house, and good old Uncle Bob. I can't forget Uncle Bob.
51,200 viewers. Oh, God.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
That's right. We still love you, Vinny, but my viewership is way bigger than yours.
Put that P&L away.
55-6.
That's crazy. I think what happened last time, legitimately, it was because there were so many viewers. YouTube started recommending our live stream, and actual people were hitting those like buttons. I think really that's what happened. So
Really?
they should start rolling in here any minute.
All
If you're
right.
new here, folks, hit that like button. We're here every night that the futures market is open.
Quite honestly, NQ scalper. We're getting kind of close to the end. We'll just ride it out. This is more fun than up 59,700.
Cheers.
But NQ scalper's probably right. I should, but you know, we're just gonna keep going.
I think they'd flock into the new one anyhow. What's up, Phantom? Good to see ya.
Have you seen Phantom Phoenix before? I don't remember him. That a new guy?
Yeah, I've seen Phantom around.
Dot
Oh,
NQ
Kevin, I
on the
forgot
three.
to say hi. Sorry, Kev. Pump and dump on the viewers. That's funny. Nah, I like the viewers. Come on, bots, say hi. Chat a little bit. Smash that like button. That's funny.
Can we get 60,000? Nope, they're starting to retreat. They're starting to leave. Yeah, Missile, you're absolutely going to have to tell Vinny we almost hit 60,000 viewers. What's happening, Kevin Lolo? Yeah, they're falling off quickly now. Looks like the offensive is coming to an end. Looks like they're calling retreat. All right, Jesse, I'm going to take a break. I'll be back. Let's plan on going to 11 at the very least, okay?
All right, sounds good.
All right. I'll be back.
All right. I will hold the fort down and try not to break any rules. Kevin, I don't know. I think there's services out there that people can pay to have them spam a channel or something. No idea. No idea. But I think their hope is that if they flood the live stream with viewers, and those viewers are not interacting with the chat or the like button, then the algorithms on YouTube treat that as a not very good stream, right? But we're so small, it doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. So I think YouTube's algorithm is smart enough to look at the average viewers on our streams and then know that something crazy is going on, right? So I don't think their attack is going to work for a channel this small. Yeah, exactly, Pete. Yeah, what happened last time? So the thing is the algorithm, they're trying to make it hurt us, right? But what it does is that in the meantime, like right now while we're live, YouTube's recommending or putting our live stream on other people's feeds as recommendation because we have so many viewers right now, right? So what happened last time this occurred, we got like 10 new subscribers, 5 people roughly were new people were in the chat hanging out with us. We made some new friends. So they're trying to hurt this small channel, but it actually helps in the meantime. So I welcome it. It's not my channel, but I think it's pretty cool. Okay, Ben just went short, made 300. All right. Yeah, that's another, yeah, Brian, that's another thing, yeah. Monetization. Sure, let's make 10 cents a night. Oh, boy. Oh, you meant gold, not NQ? All right. Okay, what am I doing here?
Harmonic GC on the 3.
Okay, let me refresh my Trade of 8 site. All right, let's see. Kevin had 3 scalps, up 520. All right, there you go. All right, Kevin. Hey, don't blow it. End of day tomorrow. I vote for don't trade those accounts at all tomorrow there, Kev. That is my vote. Okay, Ace, thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
One at a time for you. Yeah. Yeah. I don't disagree. That's probably a lot safer. That way if you blow something up, it's not all of them, right? All right, NQ. Scalper, good job, man. Woo, 10K. 2 payouts for 10K. Nice. I'm jealous. I haven't had a payout for quite a while. It's been a few months. Oh, no, it hasn't. Yeah. 2 months. I've been on a bit of a skid. I haven't got a payout from Apex since late last year because I stopped trading them for a while. When they had that 90% off sale recently, I did buy 20 50K accounts. And I think I had them up like, I was $300 away from passing those accounts, and I friggin' got stupid. Got stupid.
Way to go, NQ Scalper. That's awesome.
Yeah,
all right.
right.
Gold is still in the middle of the fiddle.
Double Delta NQ on the 3.
All right, Super Dot on NQ. got a red arrow. So I'm not going to take the long. I want to wait for a signal to go short. Got a Smurf dot on the NQ on the 9s. So the NQ is playing games, or they're playing games with the NQ. How did David Maloney get back in?
Vib.gc on the 3.
Oh boy. He's back. David, we're not selling anything. How are we scammers? Bro, we're just here trading the stock market. Futures. You ever heard of them? Hang out. Trade with us. Be friendly. Be nice. Jeez.
All right, let's
He
see.
just changed. It's a different account, but his screen, you know, his display name is the same.
Hold on a second. I got another phone call.
Yep. Good job, Ben. Yeah. Oh, Kevin. Yeah, because we're salespeople. We're out here scamming everybody, selling people something. Snake oil. I don't know. Let's see. Damn, I can't believe take profit traders or accounts are $100 to reset. Dang. There's no code for that, I don't think, huh? No coupons for resets. Man. How much is a new account? Is it cheaper to just buy a new account? Let's see,
All right,
50?
so apparently I put David Maloney in timeout, but now I think I got him now.
Okay. What's the code for, let's see, take profit? Oh, it's spring. Yeah, this, okay. So it's more expensive to buy a new account than it is to reset. I don't know. I'm thinking about resetting my take profit accounts there, Bob. I probably shouldn't.
Gotcha.
I've been on timeout since when? When did I blow those up? Thursday?
Oh, so Shane Freeze is one of those trolls too. Okay. All right. Well, I'm not sure I know how to ban anybody, but he's definitely hidden.
Shane, fake profit. I think Bob showed his actual Tradivate account.
No,
earlier.
he's talking about take profit.
No, he said
Okay.
fake profit. Shane.
No, but he came back with another
Oh, okay.
another comment.
Oh, fake profit. Oh, okay. I like them. I just can't seem to friggin' pass an account and keep it long enough to get a payout. Damn. I like them. My favorite's Tradify, if I'm being honest. I don't know.
No worries, Shane. It's just a little edgy over here. Too much caffeine tonight.
Yeah.
Got
I
an
don't know.
itchy trigger finger over here.
Yeah.
Oh man.
All right, I think I'll just wait on those. That's $500 to reset 5 accounts. I'm not gonna do that. Not doing it.
Appreciate it, Shane. Thank you very much.
Let's see. I just trade my Tradify accounts here. Do you guys think NQ's done yet? Jesus.
Is it done going long or done going short?
Short. Oh man.
Well, we got the blue Smurf dot on the 9s. We're consolidating there. We got a couple of PRZs developing below its current price.
Well, this pull up is about the same size as the last
NQ
one
on
that
the
faked
three.
me out. I'm not gonna let it get me again.
No, I hear you. I hear you. I can tell you that we're definitely on the oversold side of things. It's gold that I'm looking for a trade, but man, it's just doing that. It's just the tide's not giving me an entry there. We're still in the colored bar entries. We're still green. The arrow is still green, but we are definitely in the oversold. No, we're not. Wait, yeah, we are. We're definitely in the overbought.
All right, so Andrew went long on NQ. All right, I got a micro on long. Let's see if we can get up there. I'll try it. I'm in with you, Andrew, but I'm on a micro.
Does it play back towards the gap?
Yeah. I need more screens too, Kevin. I've got one 32-inch monitor, believe it or not. Yeah, I tried to push. Now it's dropping out on me. Oh boy. Yeah, Casey, I heard the Geyers also.
The Geyers.
I heard the Geyers and I got in and then it dumped out on me.
Hey, Alex. Yes. Best way to leverage your money. Absolutely. You can absolutely do that. You can absolutely do that. And I do that also. I don't trade micros or shares of SPY or QQQs. I play the options on there. I did go long, I guess a couple of weeks ago on SPY and the Qs. Did not do the options trade. And caught the rebound and did very well. But yes, Alex, to answer your question, prop firms are definitely worth it. But you gotta play strict. You gotta play pretty tight. It's really easy to blow them up.
Yeah, they're easy to blow up. I would say, I think prop firms are for one of two people or both sets of groups. Again, not financial advice. This is entertainment only, but if you're new and you're just learning, they're great. Buy the cheap ones, the discount ones like Apex or ETF. Awesome way to teach yourself how to learn, do this stuff with having a little bit of, skin in the game because you paid for the account, right? Or if you're really good, you have great trade setups, you know what you're doing, and you can deal with all the friggin' rules and restrictions that prop firm accounts come with, then that's good too. Now, if you're somewhere in the middle like myself, it's hit and miss. It's hit and miss.
Well, I mean, just scroll back up and look at the comment by NQ Scalper. Let's see here. Didn't NQ Scalper take two?
It's got two 10K account payouts coming from Top Step.
Yeah.
So if you're good enough to get past all the rules and follow all the restrictions they all have in place and get to payouts, that's great. That is awesome. I've done it quite a few times, but it's tough. It adds a lot more rules to your trading than just trading a cash account, that's for sure. But you get the margin and the leverage. So,
I have BATN. I don't know what that means.
I think he's talking about the
Oh, look at this.
Blanton's bourbon.
Somebody has spammed Casey's account.
Oh, somebody named himself KCS?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody blocked that real quick. I didn't even get to see it.
So if I ban him,
no, it's just named. It's just the display name. They're trying to pretend to look like Casey, but it wasn't real.
hide user on this channel. Hey Casey, I'm gonna hide the other Casey So do me a favor and Casey, do me a favor. Yep. Okay. You're good, Casey. All right. Man.
Boy, NQ's getting after it again.
I keep wasting so much time on these idiots. Yeah, no kidding, right, Casey? What's going on, Eric Z? Good to see you.
What's up, Eric?
All right, gold is going back up. I do not like all the chop there. Looking for a trade on gold, looking for a trade on NQ, and I just can't get there. It's an interesting night.
Oh, that's a good point. You should put the channel to subscribers only.
Yeah, but then how do you get all the other people in?
No, they can watch us. They just can't type in the chat unless they hit subscribe.
You know, that's what Mike does. I need to ask Mike how he does that.
And we're pretty good at saying, hey, if you're new here, say hi. You know, hit the subscribe button, blah, blah, blah. People will do it. Alex, if you trade, always learning, yeah, no problem. If you trade SPX spreads and stuff like that, I don't know of any prop firms that allow that stuff. This is basically just for futures trading, just so you know. There's also Forex prop firms out there too, but we don't do that, or I don't do that.
So I guess what Kevin's saying is somebody's put the cap in.
Yeah, 400 contracts at 49. Woo! My lord, I bet you they'll move it. They're probably just trying to spoof the market. What's up, BK?
Hey, Kevin, let me know if it drops. I'd like to see if it comes down to 40. I'd be willing to bet that you're going to see them drop that down to 40.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Hey, good evening, BK. Good to see you.
Okay, NQ's pushing a bit here. We have some buying pressure. I'm watching the tape. I'm listening. I'm seeing green. I'm hearing green. Let's go. It didn't really move. That's not good when you see and hear a lot of green and the price doesn't move up.
Eric, I can't tell you how powerful the MACVU is, and also the MACV. And I absolutely try to limit that's one of the reasons why I don't use the Dream Panel as often as I should. Because when I see the Enigma, I really like to wait to see if I get a better price. If I can get a moon touch, I like to see the moon touches. So if I miss a trade, I miss a trade. If I don't, if I can get the moon touch and I get the corresponding confluence from the MACV on the 9s, maybe even over on the tide.
NQ on the 3.
Hopefully the tide's already giving me some kind of indication that it's going to be going in one direction or the other. Then I'm looking for confluence over on the MACVU, and then I get the pinpoint entry over on the Ripple chart. But not all enigmas are good enigmas. You just got to watch and wait.
Okay, I'm in the green on this trade here. Who else was long on NQ? I forgot. Somebody got me in on this trade here.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
All right, see right there, we got an Enigma short.
Fib.GC on the 9.
I'm going to see if I can't get, right there we got that cross telling me that I should take
Double
that.
Delta NQ on the 3.
Oh yeah, we definitely want to take that. Let's get a little bit of a pullback there.
Ooh,
So
I'm
we just
hearing
got
buyers.
you just got a super moonshot, super enigma.
Yeah, but the buyers
Super
are
AO.
pushing hard. Oof.
Like I said, I'm waiting for a pullback. I am waiting for a pullback. Really like
Man,
the,
they're trying to buy up those 400 contracts there.
I'd be willing to bet those 400 contracts are long gone. I'm willing to bet that was a spoof
Bit.gc
order.
on the 3.
No, Kevin said some of it got filled, and I think that last absorption I was hearing probably grabbed a bunch more of it too.
Okay, we're up in the Bollinger Bands on the NQ, on the 9s.
Okay.
It's a little
We're getting
slow.
some action.
It's a little slow though. I should have taken that. But I didn't have the confluence I needed. Really like to see this pull back to about 55.
Harmonic NQ on
Yeah,
the 3.
definitely should have taken it. All right. See if we get another delta ready up and we can define a Titanic zone here. You still in the NQ, Long?
Yep.
All right.
Yep, I'm holding. I'm hoping we get another push up. We've been putting in higher lows, higher highs. We're following. The channels are turned up, at least on my 6s. So we'll see.
All right. Gold is shooting up. Gold is shooting up. Is that it? That AO on gold was absolutely the right trade.
Yeah, look at that.
Double Delta GC on the 3.
Nah,
All right.
Casey, he meant everybody. Everything's always for everybody. Yeah, the one time I didn't take my money and run, Casey, and it pulls back against me. Usually, you guys know me. Usually, I'm a sissy.
I gave you
Take
every
my-
reason to get out. You had
my
the
money and
super
run.
enigma. You had the super AO,
Yeah.
super moon. I don't even know what they call that. What the hell do they call that?
Got the super moon shot.
But it paired up with the AO.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. It's
Yeah,
a
super
moon
moon.
shot. It's a
Yeah.
moon shot with just the AO, but because there's a double delta, that makes it a super moon shot.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yep.
Then he's over there cringing because I should have taken it.
Now, in that case, it's also a double cross reversal at the top of a channel. So it's like a super moonshot DCR. Oh boy.
Hey, Eric, we're down. That's down. We were up to, I think,
40,000?
no, we were up way higher than that. It was incredible. We were almost to 60,000.
Wow.
I did. Somebody said take a screenshot. It was a little late, but I went ahead and took a screenshot of the analytics side of life. So viewers, oh no, I take it back. We peaked out tonight at 65,702 viewers.
Woohoo. Yeah, Eric, we think somebody's just trying to spam the channel or something.
Oh, it's whoever that David Maloney guy is.
Yeah, we're such a small channel, though. They don't understand that doesn't hurt us. In fact, it helps because it brings a few new people in here. Oh, boy. I mean, last time that happened, we got 10 new subscribers that night, and like 5 people were chatting it up with us. So
That's right.
it helps. We'll take everything we can get, right?
That's right. We are speaking of subscribers, we are at 893 subscribers. We are 7 away from 900.
Okay, so that's 3 more since I joined the stream. 3 new ones.
Yep. So we are
So
up
yeah.
5.
So
for the
David's
night.
helping. David's helping us again. Thank you, David. Open your eyes on gold, guys. What's gold doing? Well, we got a double delta there on gold, and it dropped out. Did I take my medicine?
I took mine.
Shoot, I don't remember if I don't think I did. I'm gonna do it right now. Mark as taken. Okay. There you go, Eric. Div triangle on the 6s on GC down. Okay.
Just not liking what I'm seeing over on the tide. If you look at the tide, your support and resistance bars are really, really tight. So it's telling me there's a lot of indecision out there. And we're going to be range bound, which we have been pretty much all night. Well, I mean, we had a nice, really nice push up. Still long there, Jesse?
Yeah, it's right at my, just hovering around my entry. So I'm gonna keep holding it. I think it's gonna try to give one more push up here in the channels. I'm hoping anyways. I'm watching the tape, listening for buyers. We'll see.
It is right back in the fiddle zone. Oh, I thought we might get to 50 likes tonight.
47, I see.
Yeah.
How many minutes do we got? We got 4 minutes, folks.
I'm going to be shutting it down at 11. I got too much work to do in the morning.
Oh, boy.
I hate to leave you there in the middle of a trade, so we're just going to hang with you for a little bit longer. We'll go until you're out.
Yeah, we're in one of those moments where it just really slows down here, and then it'll give us a spurt at some point.
All right, Casey, good to see you. What's up, Vinny? Vinny is in the house. Good to see you, Vinny.
Good night, Brian. Thanks for being here, bud.
Brian,
What's up,
good to
Vin?
see you. Vinny's coming in at the end of the show. All right, let's do the... Let's do the welcome Vinny to the stream routine. Oh, you missed it, Vinny. We set an all-time record tonight. Even over the other night. Our watermark high of the night, 65,702 viewers tonight, Vinny. You heard me right. 65,702 viewers. And I actually had to ban somebody twice. It's definitely good to see you, Vinny. Thanks for coming. Oh, man. You know, Vinny, one of these days I am going to get it right. Going to get it right. Got to learn how to turn that sound off and do the sound swap.
Good job. Good comeback, Andrew. And good night. We will see you tomorrow, my friend.
Good night, Andrew. Good to see you. Same guy, David Maloney. David Maloney. He showed up, and that's when we had the influx of viewers. He did it really good this time, though. And he really pissed me off. You know, you're trying to hear, we're actually trying to make some money. And I just don't have time for that bullshit anymore. You know, we got a lot of new folks. And we just don't need the negative energy here. So, you know, I guess the other day it was just fun. Today, not so much. You know, I got in sideways on a bad trade. Ended up making it whole. I'm actually break even for the night, regardless of what the Sim 101 account says. I am actually in the green on my evals, so that's a good thing. Did not trade cash tonight. Did not trade cash. All right, folks, it is 11 o'clock here on the East Coast. Hey, Vinny, I'm going to try to make your stream in the morning. I can't promise you that I'm going to. I have to deal with project managers on Monday mornings. Two guesses where I'd rather be. Boy, vey. Monday morning staff meetings. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's, I think that's exactly why I hate Mondays. But hopefully I can get out of those meetings early enough. Oh, that'd be awesome.
Fib.gc on the
All right, we got a Smurf dot on gold. Still hearing sellers. We got a green arrow on the MACV. We're still green arrow on the Tide. Need something a little bit more than a dot on a Smurf dot on the. It was on King timing. That worked out really well. But we are green for the night, which I am very pleased with, considering the way we negotiated our way around that gold trade. We didn't panic.
Yeah, that gold almost got you like it got me last week.
Yeah.
Fib.gc on the 3.
So I was very happy with the outcome of that trade. Could have been way worse. And Vinny, just to let you know, got saved by a counter trade that I took on the NQ at the exact same time. Had an Enigma pop up. Ended up taking profit on 3 of the 4 contracts. The 4th contract broke even. So you can see down in the bottom right of the screen. Oh, you can't see it. Now you
was
can.
there.
Now
was
you
there
can.
Earlier. Okay.
Yeah, my OBOS went postal on me. But it's there. So we had 4 trades tonight. Not going to force the 5th trade. Kind of tired. Kind of pissy about David. So I don't think my head is completely on straight. But boy, do I want to take a trade. Oh, I missed. Look at that Super Enigma that we did not take.
And it's still going. Still going. Look at that thing go, huh? No opposing signal yet.
None. And I wanted to take it. I never got the pullback I wanted on it.
Yeah, you didn't get your moon touch.
No. But it gave me every other reason to go short there, and I didn't take it. That's okay. Can't lose money on a trade you didn't take.
Mm-hmm.
Brian, I've done that twice and never had a problem with it. All right, Eric. So take a look. I'm going to zoom in on the NQ here. So what I was waiting on, hopefully it's back up and running, is okay, so you can see it on the screen. Back here, we got this Enigma right there, the 23.9, which was my first clue. My first clue that I should have gone south. Then we got the red AO at 9.5. Prior to that, we had the cross with the green dot in it, indicating that retail is going long. You always want to short when they decide to go long. So we got the Enigma on a ready up with a super AO, super moon. And what I was waiting for was price to come back closer to the moon before I take it short. Because at the time, we were actually in green channels. We had a blue Smurf dot over on the 9s. I did have a green dot over on the tide. So I didn't have all the confluence that I needed. Thanks, Vinny. Well, you know, I hate to say that I didn't take that super AO, that super moon. God, I wish I would have. I told myself, I actually said it out loud, I really want to take it, but I did not. So, lesson learned. We'll try it again later. Not going to FOMO into it now. But Eric, that is what we were talking about. What was your, the moon touch. So I try to wait until I can get back up here on the moon or closer to it. You can see I had one opportunity. I actually had a second opportunity, but I was hoping it would have been a little bit higher because I had a lot of negative confluence going at the same time. So anyway, c'est la vie. 2,453 watching now. 2,500. Sounds like David is in here again. So, hey, Vinny, by the way, that David guy, he actually opened up another account as Casey. came in and was bashing everybody in the room, bashing you, bashing me, bashing AlgoBox. And I didn't realize, and it was a giveaway was, Casey is a moderator, so he still has the blue. The other guy did not have the blue, so we gave him the boot. Oh, you saw the fake Casey account. Okay. All right. We got a red 8.2 AO on the NQ right in the middle of the fiddle.
And what does that mean, Bob?
What does what mean?
John, what's up, buddy?
What's happening, fellas? How are
Man, talk about throw me off my game here.
Let's
Jeez.
give Bob a second wind. We hit the 50 likes, Bob. We got 55, Bob. Let's do it.
Let's keep
do
going.
it.
We'll just keep going.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go to 11:30.
All
There
right.
we go. Oh, now we're talking.
Woohoo.
See, I heard the little. I could hear him debating it in his head. You're welcome, folks.
All right.
Little second jolt of energy coming out. I'm starting to figure out my role on the new channel here. As soon as Bob's just about to doze off, then I'll start chiming in.
Give me that little foot up the ass. I mean, see, he'll come in and he'll light the fuse on my tampon.
Oh, my God. That said, I just saw 5 subscribers click off.
Yeah, did I really say that out loud? Okay.
Facts are hard to avoid there, Bob.
You got it.
Let's see. It was funny. I love it. Oh boy. Let me get to the channel here.
Good job, Jeff. But I don't know why you're telling John that and not all of us. You're playing favorites over here, Jeff? Bob on a Sunday. Right? On a Sunday, Bob?
Absolutely.
Ooh,
And
nice little
double
push on
delta
NQ.
GC
I'm about to
on 3.
close this trade. Let's go.
Let's see what we got here.
Tide's telling me
Yeah.
you're going to see 20,150.
Dude, what is going on with the number of viewers?
Oh, John, you missed it. We hit our watermark high for the night and our record
DCDMNQ
thus
on the
far.
3.
Catch this. You ready? You ready?
Let's
Wait for
go.
Wait for it. 65,702 viewers tonight.
Thanks for paying for that for us, folks.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
I don't care if you
Nah.
screw up the algorithm, you're blowing up Bob's ego. And that's
That's right.
what we're here for.
That's right.
Dang, the tape is full of buyers right now. They're putting a lot of pressure on. Woo-wee.
So we just had a DCDM taking it all the way up to 20,064. We are in a rather nice shark here, though. We are in a shark. I want to see a pullback on that shark before I go short on it, and I'm probably waiting for the wrong things to do here. Am I full screen on the NQ? Yes, I am. So I'm waiting for it to pop here.
Harmonic GC
Back
on
up
the
to
3.
about 20,055, but I see this target way up here on this DCDM of 20,064. So I am getting, again, negative confluence. We got a green arrow on the MACD. The MACDU is in a moderate sell, and the only holdout is the NQ. Only holdout on the MACDU is kind of hard to take that long, but it's enough confluence to stop me from taking this short too. So again, sorry folks, I really want to take a trade. I do. I really do. But I want to take a good trade. I really see this pulling back to the bottom of that DCDM and then taking
Double
off.
Delta NQ on the 9.
Yeah, you're hearing your sellers show up there too.
Yeah.
At least I just heard it.
Yeah.
That was a nice piercer play, though. You could have
Yeah,
gotten
it was.
like 10, 15 out of that.
All right. So I'm going to go back to both screens right quick because we got a trade developing over on gold as well. We got a super AO on gold, but we got a red arrow. We are a bit
Is that-
oversold.
Is that a shark harmonic that's in?
I'm sorry, is it
that
a shark?
harmonic? Is that a harmonic that I'm
Yep.
seeing on your screen there?
You got a super shark, super AO, and you got the first cross that was red, indicating that the sellers are going short. The retailers are going short. I am just so gun shy right now with gold. I really am. I really am. Look at the tide. Look at the tide. Green arrow over there. We're oversold there. I'm hearing sellers. I'm still hearing sellers. We're at the bottom of that shark.
Yep.
I mean, I've
When
got every reason in the
everything
world.
Confluence, it doesn't hurt your P&L to sit on your hands and let that go by until something that has more confluence pops up.
Yes.
But if it pops back up through the middle of an AO, I would be tempted. I won't lie.
No, I hear you. I am tempted. I am very tempted. I want to take it, but I think it's going to pull back a little bit more.
Let's see what we got here. Whew.
And see, there we go. Still hearing sellers. Jesse, will you please pay Ben his $150?
What did I miss?
I don't know, but he says you owe him $150.
How do I owe you 150? What happened? I must have missed something.
Oh man, look at this gold trade. Oh boy. Oh boy, and it's coming right back up. Man, is this so tempting, John?
I mean, it is a PRZ cross. I mean, just saying. I mean, the nice thing is, if your entry was right there at the back of the shark, I mean, you'd have had a very low cost entry. I can't say that it's going to go, though. It hasn't crossed back up and through it. So, if you have to ask yourself,
Yeah,
what
you're
the
right.
trade is doing, what does that tell you about the answer of what button you should click? Or
It tells me
in this
don't
case,
click.
not
Don't
click.
click.
Exactly.
Right.
If you're having to think about it and talk yourself into it, it's probably not a trade you should be in the first place.
Exactly right. Exactly right.
Pip.NQ on the 3.
Doesn't mean it doesn't work out, but you didn't
Yep.
have the confidence in the trade. There's going to be 10,000 other setups between now and the close of the market tomorrow.
That's right.
Take the easy kill shots. Because you have AudioBox for gold, right?
Yep, I do.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean,
All
if you're
right.
not hearing what you need to hear,
Hey, Casey's not here, but let me show you something. We're right back doing it again, man. So earlier we ended up with a turtle, and it looks like it's doing it again. So just to remind everybody what a turtle looks like, let me pop it up to the, let's pop gold big. And then we're going to bring this into view. And there's the turtle, folks. So we've got the nice the turtle feet coming around, and we're looking for the neck. And I think this is exactly where we are. And this is the second time we've seen this tonight. So are we going to hit this neck? Are we going to get the neckline coming up like this? Is that what's going to happen tonight? We'll line that up on that pivot. Let's see if this happens. Right there is what I'm
that's a
looking
nice job holding out there. So I just ripped off a quick 26 ticks
on what?
in the NQ.
On the NQ?
Yeah.
Awesome job. We are full strong sell on the nerd.
AC, what's happening, brother?
Is this the turtleneck? Is this the turtleneck? I'm waiting for a signal. Waiting for a signal. Glad I did not go long there.
Do we get that? Oh, dude, that's a bummer.
What's that?
Casey took all this pre-workout.
Oh,
so
man.
he's twitching. He's over there twitching like a meth addict. He's got the niacin flush going on, so his face is all blotchy and red. You've taken some good pre-workouts and kind of overdone it. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Got a little too heavy on your pre-workout pour. You end up with a niacin flush. First time that ever happened to me, I thought I was dying. Now he's geeking. You have to go hop on the bike, dude.
We're just chopping in and out on this fiddle zone here on the NQ.
So what's old Jesse up to? Jesse, how you doing tonight there, pal?
He's locked in a trade.
Oh, is he? Okay, gotcha. Perfect.
He was long the NQ. I don't know if he got back out at that last when it got back in the shark.
Can you guys hear me now?
Now I can hear you.
Geez, I was talking back that whole time, and I guess you guys couldn't hear me.
Nope, didn't hear you. You were gone. I thought you were like uber focused.
I was wondering why the hell John kept talking right over me. Oh my goodness! I wonder how long I've been it's been broken. I just had to
It's
leave
been a while.
I had to leave the room and come back in.
It's been a while.
Oh shoot! Did you at least hear me say hi when you got here?
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay, good. What I was saying was, well, I was congratulating Austin on that short he's been holding from 3 hours ago. What else? Oh, I was asking Ben what I owe him $150 for.
That was about where you cut out.
Okay. And then
Thought you were just dodging your debtors.
And then I was talking about that trade I just took from the bottom of the channels when I heard the buyers take over, and it ripped up, got me out for my $25, and then I'm good to go.
Oh,
Sweet.
So you are out of NQ. That's great news.
I'm out of that trade. Yep. And then John, you were asking how's Jesse doing, and I was answering, but you couldn't hear me. I said I'm doing good, still trading micros, still on timeout.
It's all right. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Not enjoying this flush tonight. I thought we were going to stop earlier. I thought we'd stop at the pivot point. We did not.
So did we just form a nice little W or what? Just steady consolidation.
I'm hearing buyers again trying to take over, but I'm watching the tape. Oh, nope.
There you go, Austin.
Absorption.
And don't forget our motto. Fuck it. It's just one.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
The famous last words. All right, I'm in along again from the bottom of the channels here. Let's see if we get a little push back up again. We've been in this nice range. I'm trying it.
I think that's John biting his tongue there.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
That's all right. They don't always work.
Yeah, you're pretty. I mean, it's just chopping. It is just choppy.
Yeah, I'm trying to practice.
If you're gonna get long here, yeah, I mean it's not the worst place to get long from in the bottom of this little chop zone.
Yeah. What's up, Ferdy? Good to see you.
Ferdy Daster. What's going on, Ferdy? Good to see you.
Austin, yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Just trading micros. I don't have 300K accounts. Mine are 50Ks, but so.
We are back down to reality, folks. We have 34 folks in the bar and 58 likes. And let's see. We have 896 subscribers.
Wow, 6 new ones tonight.
No, 8 new ones. We started at 888 when I started the stream this morning or this afternoon.
Nice.
Hard to forget that number. We got 4 to go to hit 900. Who is going to be number 900? Do me a favor as you hit that subscribe button. Let us know you're here.
Yeah, we're offering free beer to number 900. Free beer.
Virtual beer. Come on, NQ. Push up out of there.
Don't even ask what 1,000 gets.
Oh,
oh, number 1,000 gets 1,000 free beers.
we might be able to convince Vinny to give us an AlgoBox subscription to give out if we hit 1,000 or something cool like that.
Jesse, I'm going to leave it to you to sell Benny on that concept.
I
think he'll like it.
I will be just thrilled.
Or maybe the first 3 months of the subscription free or something like that. I mean, I'm sure we'll work something out. That would be a pretty big milestone. 1,000 subscribers. Woo. All organic growth, too. No marketing or anything crazy. Well, we had a little help from our buddy David.
Yeah.
David Maloney.
We picked up almost 100 new subscribers in the past 28 days.
All right. Okay, so now we're just hanging out down at the bottom of this range. Probably not a good sign. Whoa, that was a lot of buyers that just hit the tape.
John, are you still in Louisiana?
I am.
Did y'all do any fishing this weekend, or is the weather too bad?
Oh, no, we went out today.
Okay.
Yeah, we went out today.
Did you do any good?
Nah, cold front came through yesterday, so
Yeah, it kind of gave
it
a
was.
lot.
It's been windy. Yeah, it's been windy, so we stayed inside.
All right, the MACVU is strong sell. Got red arrow over on the 9s. Midline on the OBOS.
Double
nice
delta
little
NQ on the 3.
delta pump. That was a nice delta dump. Does look like the selling is starting to see an upward trend on the delta. I am fading fast, guys.
Well, it's that time. We got 30 more seconds. 30 seconds.
You're out of the trade or you're in a trade?
No, I'm long in NQ.
All right.
There's a double delta. That should help.
See, I knew that would get Coop back in the chatty mode.
Yeah, fishing.
Yeah.
Buyers are trying. They're trying.
Hearing buyers on NQ and sellers on gold.
Oh.
$898 subscribers. 2
Wow.
to go.
Wow.
Do we hit 900 tonight? 59 likes with 33 folks in the bar. Tell you what, let's see if we can scrounge up 2 more subscriptions before midnight.
All right.
I'm gonna hang in there. I am gonna go top it off. I'm gonna top off my cocktail. Actually, it's not even a cocktail at this point. It's just caffeine. So I'll be right
Baileys
back.
without the Baileys.
You know, I have been craving Kahlua and cream, and I could not figure out why. And then it occurred to me. Yeah. So Friday night, bored, nothing to do. I turned on a movie, came up. We recommend this one, and you want to guess what movie it was?
What was it?
The Big Lebowski.
Oh yeah,
I had never seen that movie, but that's where I started craving. I went back and thought about it. That's what he drank, wasn't it? Kahlua and cream?
He drove a white Russian.
Is that what a white Russian is?
I don't know, but he was drinking white Russians all the time in that movie.
Because he always asked for Kahlua and half.
Yeah.
So anyway, I am going to go top off my caffeine.
All right. Be careful, man. There's a beverage here.
I got a freaking yellow fly in the house.
Oh boy.
Yeah, this is not good. Let's see if I can catch that bitch. I got popped. Hey, John, I got popped on the hand again. I haven't been able to make a fist for 2 days now.
What did you get popped on the hand for?
It was a yellow fly. I was out back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's up. It's still swollen. I can make a fist now, but man, these yellow flies are relentless. Anybody down in Florida know anything? Would know what I'm talking about? Austin says yes. It was
GC on the
a
3.
White Russian. There you go.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna go top off my caffeine, and I'll be back in the Jiffy.
All right.
Sweet.
Let's go, NQ. I'm up $30. I should probably take it. Yum, that sounds good, Coop. Man.
Hey, Coop, if you're gonna come in here and talk about that stuff, I'll just go ahead and send you the address, and you can just ship them.
We're gonna need you to
Kind of
FedEx one of
required
those.
at this point. Exactly. With a piece of cheesecake comes a wrench.
Oh boy.
Mm. I think I got in the wrong direction here for a second. Go push real quick. Take my targets out. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Go get them.
Oh, there we go.
Oh shit.
Get up there, get my targets. Okay, $40. I'm gonna take it. $41. I took it.
Come on. Made it down to 991.50.
Ooh. Pushing. I should have kept it. Kept holding that.
Divergence up GC on the 9.
We are about to find out who's in charge.
Jeff's long 4 contracts on the NQ. Oh boy.
Actually, NG, Natgas.
Oh, did I misread that. Oh shoot, I misread that. Sorry, Jeff. My eyes aren't the same as they once were.
Oh, Jesse.
What happened? Did you get in a short there and had taken some heat?
I am, not in a good way, sir.
Well, all the channels are pointing down. You're at the top of all the channels, so if I had to guess, would
You get a
think.
pullback at least at some point.
Yeah. Unless we've seen the bottom for the night. I don't know. No idea.
GC on the 3.
But again, we're respecting this exact range.
Yeah, that's kind of.
My long idea from the bottom of it was a good one. I should have held all the way to the top of it, darn it.
Yeah.
Man, that would have
You
been
had
trip.
perfect. Like I said, that long
Thank
entry
you on the
was
3.
perfect
Oh my goodness.
when you got it. We're gonna push a little bit here.
It's weakening a
Double
little
delta
bit.
NQ on the 9.
Yeah, they're pushing. Woo.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
All right.
I found it kind of odd that it was kind of melting down tonight, given on Financial Juice, the only thing read was Trump says, I will lower China tariffs at some point. I mean, normally, if he said that during the day, we would rip.
All right. I got some of it back there.
All right, good.
I'm gonna hold a couple for a little while and see what
Double
happens.
delta NQ on the 3.
Wow, Coop. I've never had a sweet potato pie. And I've only ever heard of that in that song by Alabama. Old country music song from the
Yep. Song of the South, sir.
Yeah. Never even tried one of those or seen one of those before. But that sounds pretty good.
You're kind of in the wrong part of the country for that to be.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Song of the South, sweet potato pie, and to shut my mouth. Wow, look at this push. Jeez. Maybe some people are finally reading Trump's, I will lower tariffs. Eventually.
All right, guys, I am back.
All right.
All right, I just took profit on that.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Oh, here come the sellers.
I am in a short.
Or target
Here comes the
filled.
pressure.
Come on, let's go. All right, we are going to.
Exit.
Nope.
All right. Well, we
Not
got
yet.
one out of it.
Oh, it's pushing again. Now, I'm hearing. Oh, the pressure's on. Selling pressure too. Man, this is.
I took that AO short and got stopped out. I mean, I took profit and broke even on the other 3 contracts. I'm sorry,
right.
2 contracts. All right, let's see.
Yeah, this is gonna keep pushing. Looks like it's trying to at least.
Harmonic
Enigma
GC on the GC3.
You're getting some trades and you're like, boy, I've seen this move before.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we got an Enigma on gold.
Yeah.
Still hearing sellers getting the moon touch that I so like to have. We are definitely oversold. I got my moon touch, but I'm still hearing sellers. All right, we got trade number 5 was profitable. Liking this move, the way it's looking on gold. Got an AO. Green 9 AO. Not in any hurry. By the way, we are at 899 subscribers.
All right.
All right, so I took a little profit there on the short. I'm down to 1 contract left.
All right.
Should have taken that.
And I am in profit on that right now, just kind of trailing it down. See where I'm at. All right, I got a lot of my money back there.
MacVU is now neutral. NQ is still green.
Yeah, so I took my profit back to that next AO down. Basically the middle of an AO, the super AO.
Gotcha. On the NQ?
Yep.
Okay, I am on my bonus trade. If I take it.
You do not have to take it, Bob.
Nope, don't have to take it.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
In the fiddle on NQ. Got a double delta. Does this retrace that whole push up?
I don't know, but
The one I'm rather interested right now in is gold.
I would like to see this make a push, I can tell you that.
Not NQ on the 3.
Red dot. So you got a super red dot on NQ. Coming up on King Timing. Gold is making that push up that I passed on.
Just a quick move down for like 20 ticks would be really, really healthy for me.
Yeah, same here.
Just not panning out my way right now because it's going to crack that red dot. It did crack the dot. Bad trades off. Just down to 42 would be like super sweet.
Did we lose Jesse or is he still there?
No, I'm here. I'm just concentrating.
Hey, Doug, what's going on?
Can you hear me all right?
I can hear you fine.
Okay.
Go away in May, come back another day. What's going on, Manfred? Good to see you. Beer is cold, ice cold. We did have a rush. We had 65,000 viewers in here. They kind of wiped out our surplus, but we managed to find more beer and peanuts and pretzels.
Pip.gc on the 3.
Green dot on the GC. I definitely want to take this long. I definitely want to take this long. I so want to take that long.
What do you want to take long, Bob?
Gold.
I mean, that's I mean, got lots of confluence there. You got all kinds of confluence there. It's a little late to take the trade now, though.
Yeah, it is.
Come on. Be nice. Be really nice.
Oh.
I just know if I reverse myself on this trade, it's going to go against me.
You tell me when you do it.
3, 2.
Pip.gc
Come
on
on.
the 3.
Keep coming. Come to Papa.
Are you short?
Sounds like it.
Always tell when John's in a trade.
Do you follow the MacVU Ultimate strictly in this session? Did we already answer that?
I
don't believe anybody's answered that.
I absolutely use MacVU when I'm trading NQ, and I use it for negative confluence, counter confluence on gold.
Manfred.
I am not in any trades right now. I am looking for a long in gold.
And I'm looking for a long in NQ. They can't both work.
And I think John's looking for NQ to go short. I think the midnight hour is going to come up. We'll go to 12:05 tonight, see what it does. And then I'm going to bed, guys.
Yeah, I'm going to call it a night here in a sec. As soon as I close this bad boy up, I'm out.
We have no speed on anything right now.
All right.
We'll see what London brings us. 12 minutes till London pre-market opens.
Yeah, that's not good. What do we have here? Push down. So Bob, I will tell you, so Friday, you remember that dropout Friday afternoon that we had?
Yeah.
So you know how I've been looking at cumulative volume delta for a while now.
Yeah.
as one of my indicators of exhaustion, right? In a move. Yeah, that indicator called that thing to an absolute T.
Really?
Absolutely. Yeah, we had pushed up in our volume. The CBD had dropped out by quite a bit. So we pushed to a new high, and CBD was half of what it was in prior highs in the session. So,
Well, there you go.
so you could see the delta divergence. Obviously, on AlgoBox, we had divergence triangles, but you could also see it with other indicators that I'm tying into AlgoBox as well. Pretty nice. All right.
I'm hearing sellers again on gold. Been an interesting night, folks.
Mm-hmm.
You guys both sound like you're just hanging. You're like me, hanging on by a thread here.
Yeah, I'm cooked, buddy. It's been a long day. I was up at 4 this morning, so
Woo.
I opted in to say hello and stuck around longer than I should have. Yeah, T-Coop, I love it, man. CBD does work well. It was nice to actually. I've watched it play in a couple times last week, both in down moves and up moves. It was definitely very telling.
All right, 11:57. Do me a favor if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification button. We are at 898 subscribers with 60 likes. Picked up 10 new followers tonight. 10
All
new
right.
subscribers. I thought we might be able to squeeze out 2 more, get to 900 subscribers.
Oh boy.
Everything is just grinding to a halt here right before the London Open. I think everybody's just waiting to see what is going to happen.
7 minutes.
Jesse, I might go full retard before the night's over. I'm not gonna lie. I've got that feeling.
You got that feeling?
Don't
I
do
do
it.
have that feeling, dude. It's coming.
Don't do it.
I'm already there. Too late.
Oh boy.
Too late. You guys were too late to talk me out of it.
There you go, Jeff Koski. I saw somebody was Jeff. Aren't you 12 contracts deep on silver tonight? Long or short there? You're in the red. I'm going to say you're long then. Oh, you're short. Okay. I don't have a silver chart up.
Come on. Get my targets.
What trade did you take, John?
I took a quick stab at NQ short.
Okay.
You heard the targets filled, I think.
No, I actually didn't.
Yeah, I got some of my targets off, but not all. The next one will be very telling. There we go.
All right. It is the witching hour, 12 o'clock. 5
There you
minutes.
go.
GC on the 3.
Whoa. That was screwed up.
What'd I miss?
Nothing. Didn't. I put my stop in, should have been profit, and it sent it all the way to the bottom of the chart below my price. So now I'm,
Wow. What the hell?
yeah, it was weird. That was weird. Come on. Come on. Got a little bit more in you, South. Let's go.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Red dot on the NQ.
Yeah, it did it again. Wow.
Yep, that's weird.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, that was bullshit. Total bullshit. I'll just click close next time I get down there. Or I'll use the half on, half off double
Fib.GC
features
on
that
the
are built
3.
in the AlgoBox. Let's see. All right.
Tight consolidation on gold.
Yeah, NQ is sitting here bouncing back and forth too.
Yeah, it's just undecided.
Well, I hope when it decides I'm on the right side of the undecided. All right, half off.
Yeah, I'm seeing a bunch of sellers on the tape here. Here and now.
Half off again.
NQ.
Yeah.
All right, Ghost Bear. Which one are you going to short? Gold or NQ?
All right, I'm out. You got a bunch back there
Fib.NQ
again.
on the 3.
Red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot. MacVU is still neutral.
Yeah, I'm lucky I didn't get slipped there. Thank the Lord. That could have turned into an ugly spot. Let's just say I was a bit heavy-handed in that one. Funny how the market knows too. As soon as I
Yep. Every time. 2 minutes.
2 minutes, I'll let this trade breathe. I'm back in. I don't want my stop to get ripped up too real fast. I just wanted to follow.
12:03.
Just one quick push back down to 20. 22 would be super nice here. That's kind of what I'm looking for.
You've got a developing diamond and bat down there at 20, 30-ish. 20, 25
If it gets down there, I'm well out of my trade by that point. My hope is we just get a quick flush.
So Casey, this is the pre-open, kind of like what happens in the New York
on
market.
3.
The pre-market open.
What are we looking at on the MACV there?
On
MACV
the-
would say we've got more room down, right?
You're smack dab in the middle of the fiddle. I'll tell you that much. You got a red arrow going for you.
Yeah. This is how you hurt yourself, by taking trades when the price isn't moving.
All right, 12:05 on the dot. And that was rather uneventful.
A big nothing burger.
Sell Endicott Steel. Anybody remember Endicott Steel?
Yeah.
Anybody
Yeah,
remember the movie
that
reference?
was Greed is Good. Michael J. Fox and Michael Keaton in Wall Street.
There you go.
Took me a second.
Blue Horseshoe. There you go. Nice, Casey. I need to get out and go swing the sticks. About time. About time. Today would have been the day to do it too. It was perfect. Charlie Sheen.
Charlie
there you
Sheen,
go.
not Michael J. Fox. Charlie Sheen.
Michael Douglas.
Michael Douglas. I had that wrong, but I got the movie right.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Oh boy. Selling
right.
pressure. Oh boy.
There we go.
That.
That. Look at Jesse's tiny trail kick in.
Nice.
Oh, that's such a good sound.
Now there's buy pressure. What is this market
That was
doing?
perfect. That just
you
took
go.
a down 600 to up 300. There
All
you go for
right.
the trade.
There you go.
Just took a couple minutes for it to kick in there.
Yep.
Sleepy heads. There are a bunch of sleepy heads over there.
Oh, I was going to
That's
take
credit.
the-
That's credit to Jesse's triplet super trail.
There you
All
go.
right.
Does it have any more left in the tank?
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
We're gonna
And
find out.
One of our guys was going to take it short.
Like I said, I'm looking forward to get back down below.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Just a break of like 21 would be ideal.
Yeah, Austin was looking for a push down to the 20s, to 20-ish.
Yep. I don't disagree.
There you go. Yep, I had to scroll up, but yeah, Austin, I see it now.
Whoa, there's a bunch of sellers just hit the tape. Whoa.
Let's go.
Divergence
Oh,
on
yeah.
NQ on the 3.
Below the bid, too. Oh,
Super
yeah.
AO long.
Order submitted.
I'm going to try to catch that reversal real quick.
Yeah, I'm long bottom of the channels. I'm trying it too, Bob.
I'm gonna let it drop out a little bit more. It's got a little bit more as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, I think you might be right, but I'm in. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, might get a little pop here.
That's all I want. A little pop pop. No.
Whoa. Just saw a bunch of pink on the tape.
Did
oh
you?
Boy. And now it's green though.
Okay.
They're so undecided.
I think Austin was right at 2020. I took that Super AO long. Come on, let's go. But I'm like, John, I'm not quite sure it's not over yet.
Yeah.
So I've got my hand over the half button.
It's trying to push.
Harmonic NQ.
Come on,
There we
let's go.
Come on. Keep going.
Let's go. Let's go.
Give us our leg of hope.
Harmonic NQ on the
Oh, I
3.
should have taken profit.
Oh.
Should have taken the profit.
Oh.
Let's see here.
Here comes 20.
Come on. Come on. Target filled. Come on. A little bit more. Keep hearing a couple sellers here and there.
Order
Order
submitted.
filled.
Come on. I'm gonna send one all the way down to the low of the day and just see. I'll be quick on the break even button. Target's filled. Target's filled.
Ooh.
I'm break
Order
even.
filled.
We're gonna just hold out and see if we can run one all the way to the low of the day.
Wow. Jeez.
That would be a 120 tick move all the way down there. We're gonna see if we can't hold it all the way there. Just in front of. It may stop me out. Yep, stop me out. All right.
Come on, let's go.
Harmonic
Come
NQ
on,
the
push.
3.
Let me get out of this bugger.
Come on, let's go.
Order filled.
There we
Target,
go.
Order
target
filled.
There we
filled.
go. Come on.
Come on, let's take it.
Go take some targets. Targets filled. Come on. Targets filled.
Order
Give
I'm
that
gonna
man
thin
his
this
targets.
I'm gonna thin this herd,
Order
Order
canceled.
filled.
and I'm moving to break even.
Come on. Push. Push.
There we go. Nice job. Good job, Bob. Way to go,
Thank
buddy.
you. I'm gonna
Order
thin it one more
canceled.
time. I got one runner left, and we're gonna let it go. We're just gonna let it go.
Harmonic
Try to
NQ
run it all the way back to like 45-ish or what? Where are we at?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Well, my target set at 62 and a quarter.
There
and
we
my,
go.
My trailing
Push,
stop is
push.
engaged.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
So it's on autopilot now, folks.
All right, I'm out. That was a pretty big trade for me. Woo wee. All right. 359 on the night across all 5
Good dot
Tradify
NQ
accounts.
on the 3.
Green
There you go.
dot. Still in it. I'm
Harmonic
still in
NQ
it.
on the
I
nine.
am still in it.
Bob knows how to hold. I killed mine.
I think you could get all the way back up at least to 44. At least to 44.
Oh, it's on autopilot, John. I'm gonna let the
And then-
trailing stop do its thing.
Wow.
65 is in sight.
Bob, I'm going to repeat what somebody in the chat said earlier about you having balls of steel.
65 is in sight. It wouldn't even shock me to see it all the way to.
Oh, I have moved it up to 75.
Wow.
Target's at 75 now. We still have 20 ticks of drawdown.
Stop you now. Don't stop him out now.
This was my bonus trade, so there we go.
Exit.
Oh, we're out, and we're out. So we
Good
are now
job.
up 625 for the night on.
All right.
Whew. So
Attaboy,
on
Bob.
eval is up 796 for the night. All right.
Nice job, Bob.
Thank you. Thank you. On that note, it is
Harmonic
12:14. Oh, look at that. Nice shark. I am done. That was my bonus trade. So we had 5 winning trades for the night. 1 was a whopper of a loser. But the rest of them, we are up. We are in positive territory for the night.
Great job.
Thank you. Same to you, John. Jesse, are you in or out? Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm out.
All right. Well, folks, 12:15 on the dot, and we stayed up a lot later than I thought we were going to stay up. So I am done. John, Jesse, any final words?
Nope. Just thanks, Bob, as always, for putting it on. Thank you guys in the chat for being here. We surely appreciate it.
All right, folks. Well, for John, Jesse, and myself, we thank everybody for coming out. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. We will be back tomorrow at 8:45 p.m. Thank you, everybody, for coming out. It was a very good night. We hit all-time highs with 65,000 viewers.
NQ on the 3.
We will be back tomorrow. Y'all have a green day. Be careful out there. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.